Was just coming into my complex, and I just want to take some video of it. You know, I just came back from CVS. See how it looks with everybody being prepared with their shutters. One moment. Okay, that's the way I usually come in. So I'm going to go do a circle. This is where I live. Usually I come in there and I turn around. Well, I don't usually go all the way around, but I just wanted you to see the entranceway to where I live. Here is the entryway of my side. Everybody's pretty much prepared. Well, not everybody.